Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So there was a very common questions from everyone like what happened, for example, if I have hidden my story with some of my followers so that they can't see my stories. So what will happen if I will share my those story to highlight? So as you know, highlight will be shown in my Instagram profile itself. So when the story get expired and when it is added to highlights, will they be able to see my highlights whatever I have added from the stories? So the answer is no. So Instagram take care of this privacy things. So if you are putting it in highlights, even after that they will be not able to see your highlights. So you don't have to worry about this. So if you have any such questions you wanted to know, you can ask me in a comment section. I hope you will find this video useful.